Hey guys, this is Kai with BMW of Bend. Today we're going to go over folding down the rear seats. The demo car I'm using is a 2019 BMW X5. I'll also go over briefly just a generic look of what it looks like in a sedan as well. But let's take a look at the X5, see how to fold down the seats.
All right, so like I said, this is an X5, but this is going to be something you'll see in other vehicles too, in the SAV lineup, so X1, X3. There's this control in the cargo area here that you just flip this switch forward, folds down the rear seat. And then also on the passenger side, there's one. Some of the older or previous model years, they had the control only by a strap that was actually in the seat section itself, but as you can see, this is much more convenient.
All right, so this is an M240 Coupe, but sedans will be similar. So there's a control right here on the upside, on the top side of the trunk area. Just pull the latch forward. There's one on each side. That'll fold down all the seats in the rear. Then you have a pass-through. All right, guys, so that's how you fold down the rear seats. If you have further questions, let me know. Give us a call here at BMW of Bend, or feel free to stop by.
Kendall, let's start something great.